Are you tired of hitting paywalls on Semrush? Get your free account in under 2 minutes with this simple walkthrough. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Follow these 7 steps to unlock your Semrush account. First, head over to Semrush's homepage, where you'll see their tagline, "Your unfair advantage for growing brand visibility." Go ahead and click on the Create Your Account button. Then, click on the highlighted area. Now, click on Create Account to proceed. Type in your email address. Then, type your preferred password. Alternatively, you can click on Continue as Gmail account. Sorry, it's a bit blurry for privacy reasons. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.